Here's a quick video showing you how to use the room booking system to reserve spaces in the Learning Commons or perhaps in other places throughout your building. On the right-hand side of your building site, you should see a tab for Learning Commons, and one of the choices there should be the room booking system. You just need to use your regular district username and password to get signed in. And once you do, be careful, it will default to probably a different building than what you're in. But before I even choose my building, I want to make sure that I'm in the correct view. So I'm looking at a day view. So this is Monday, October 22nd. You can switch it to a week-long view. Shows your plans throughout the week, or a category view so that can kind of show by some topics as well. And that doesn't really do us much good in the elementaries. But I'm going to go back here to this week view. And then I'm going to make sure I'm in the correct school. So I'm going to week view, and I'm going to go down here to my building and choose that. So now I'm taking a look at Eagle Creek for this week. Now, once I am here, you'll notice at the top, this is for the Eagle Creek Chromebook cart. What I want to do for my week-long view is switch it to the correct resource. So I'm going to look at the green screen room, choose that for the week. So I need to book something here at the same time throughout the week. So I'm going to go here on Monday, and from 9 o'clock until 10:30. And I'm going to look at some more options here as well because I want this to repeat. So I'm going to look here, and the reoccurrence of this would be a daily reoccurrence, and I want it to end after just 5. We're going to book it for this week. And I'm going to check it. It's going to kind of show me a little calendar view of what that looks like. Yep, that's exactly what I want to be, is those 5 days. And I can go over here on the left and confirm that booking. So if I go over here and I look back here at the week view again, but I'm looking at the green screen space, there's my bookings right there. And I can also check. I should get a confirmation email as soon as my booking is done. And there it is. And shows me a summary of those, that it's confirmed for those times as well. So again, there's a number of resources in the Learning Commons or throughout your building that you'll need to use a room booking system for. If you have any questions, you can put in a request to a DLC for clarification or some training on that. But that should be about it.